Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya Kamla. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in today's video, as the title suggests, I'll be sharing my Nykaa and Amazon haul. So it's a festive season. There are a lot of discounts on all the products like skincare, makeup and jewelry. So I have bought few products from Nykaa and also from Amazon. From Amazon I bought some jewelry pieces as well. So I'm gonna share you what are those. So if you are interested, do continue watching, and if you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Now without any further delay, let's get into the video. So let me start with my Nykaa haul. So firstly I grabbed the Lakme Iconic Insta Cool Kajal. You know guys how much I love this kajal. So it's one of the very pigmented and very cool kajal. I really like this, and it stays up to 7 to 8 hours. So this is my second one. So the one I was using, my bhabhi took and she loved it, and she kept for herself for day-to-day wear. So I thought let me go and try buy new one. So the first thing is this one. I'm gonna swatch a little bit to show you the pigmentation because it's so pigmented. So as you can see, it's so pigmented. I really like the pigmentation and staying power. Definitely you need to grab this kajal for the festive season. You must go ahead and try this one if you haven't tried. So the next product from Nykaa is the ELF eyeliner pen. So this is what it looks like. So this is something new to me. In one of my favorite YouTuber tried this pencil and she liked it, so thought let me go and try. So I bought this one. So this is priced at rupees 350 rupees. I bought it for 315 rupees. So this is what the original eyeliner pen looks like, and this is what the tip looks like. It's a very fine tip. I'm gonna slightly swatch. Wow, it's very nice pigmented. So on hand it applied very nicely on my eyes. I'm gonna try in my next video and tell you how I felt about the eyeliner. So ELF products are a little bit mess and hit. So sometimes we get a very beautiful product, sometimes we don't get that very beautiful. Like sometimes I have disappointed with ELF. So this is something I have to go ahead and try. So next product I have is from K Beauty. This I bought it from Nykaa. So this is the metal show eyeliner stick. So this is what it looks like. From a long time I have been eyeing on this shade. This is Jaded Glow. So I really wanted to create a green look. You know, I really like green look. I have been creating a lot of green looks, but I didn't had tried with the stick. So this kind of a stick, like I want a very bold eyes. For that we need a creamy consistency stick, so thought let me go and try this one. So for this festive season, this type of shades are really looks beautiful on eyes, so why not. So I'm gonna swatch a little bit. Let me open before that. So this is what the original packaging looks like. I have already tried Indulge and Splendid from this range, so I really like both of them. So this is the very first time I'm trying in colored one. Oh wow, very pigmented and very creamy and glide very smoothly. I really liked it. I definitely gonna create a look for this festive season. So thank God I want to create a lot of looks for this festive season. Let me try to do that. So next I have this one. So this is Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Pencil. So from a long time I wanted to try this one, and this one had a great discount. So actually I tried it in one of my videos and I really liked it. So I'm gonna swatch it. So very pigmented and it's very precise thing is there. As you can see, so tiny minute kind of a pencil. So definitely it matches my hair as well, and this is a little bit pricey, but we got almost 35% discount. So the next product I have is from Kiko Milano. So this is their lip liner pencil. So I really wanted to try from this brand. I have heard a lot of good reviews about this pencil, so thought let me try. This is Smart Fusion lip pencil. This is in the shade 531 chocolate. So this is what the shade looks like. I'm gonna swatch it. So I have been swatching a lot, don't get confused guys. So wow, super pigmented chocolate shade. So I really like this kind of a shade for my festive looks, and in general I'd like to go with this kind of a dark nude shade. I really liked it and it glided very nicely. So the last product from Nykaa in a makeup range is a beauty blender. So I bought the Color Bar Blenditude Beauty sponge. So this is the sponge. So actually when I received this package, I was supposed to film a video and I didn't had backup sponge right here. So I thought let me go and open and did it. So actually I have already used this sponge. So this is my second sponge. I have already tried the Color Bar Blenditude sponge. It's really nice. It's very inexpensive, and this is for 159. The actual price is 199. I got it for 159 or 139. So they will be fluctuating in prices. Whenever they go down, I'll just grab it. I really like this sponge, guys. If you are a beginner who want a beautiful sponge in affordable range, then definitely go and try this one. I truly recommend this one, guys. You just can't regret after buying this one. So yeah, I just packed up the things that I want for my videos. So now we'll be moving on to the Amazon haul. So first thing I wanted to try is a blush. This is the Miss Claire blusher. This is in the shade 21. So this is our price at rupees 293, I think. So they didn't have a lot of discount on this product, but I really wanted to try from Miss Claire, and this is what the original packaging looks like. So for 290 rupees, it's a good packaging, I feel. So this is what the shade looks like, 21. It's almost like a dark corally kind of a shade. So when I saw this product in the Amazon, I did not know that this gonna be coral shade. They have a lot of plenty shades, so I was get confused. So definitely you can try if you like corally thing. Let me swatch a bit. Oh, very pigmented, you know, guys. Oh wow, such a pigmentation. So I'm not a big fan of coral shade, but this one is really pigmented. So I'm definitely gonna try in one of my videos. It's so pigmented. Yeah, I'll definitely try in one of my videos. So I'll try to grab movie kind of a shades for my day-to-day looks. So but in affordable, I really liked it. So next I bought a lot of eyelashes. So this is what it looks like. I grabbed from Kalasis. You know, I really like this brand for the eyelashes, and also it's very inexpensive. It had a great deal. So this is priced at rupees 1048, but there was a great discount. Like when I was searching, it was having just 308 rupees, and immediately I ordered for 3 of this pair. So as you can see, this is the pair called CS02, and we get glue also in this, so that is a plus point. And this is CS03, so we get mink lashes, big lashes, and also for a very basic look kind of a thing. And this one is CS09. So even this has a glue within it. So all the 3 packages has their own glue, so you no need to buy an own glue. And this one is little bit dramatic. As you can see, it has a outer kind of a wing and all. So whenever we're creating a very dramatic look, I need to go with this kind of a lashes. And also it was very inexpensive, like one lashes is 100 rupees now. So that was a great deal for me, and immediately I grabbed. After getting 3 lash glues, I ordered one more lash glue because this is something waterproof black, and it has in a black shade. Like all the other lash glues are transparent, and this one is a black in shade. So I thought let me go in and order how to just want to know how it looks. I haven't never tried the black glue, so thought of trying. This is also from Kalasis. So this is also very inexpensive. I think it is for 295 rupees. The original price is 502. So definitely wanna try in my next video. And I grabbed 2 of mini lipsticks from Rene. This is what it looks like. So I grabbed 2 of this. So this is priced at rupees 199. So thought let me try. So this is Rich Matte Velvety Texture Long Lasting Ultra Thin Wear Full Coverage. So this is the very first time I bought the products from Rene. If you have already tried, let me know in the comments, guys. So this is the outer packaging, and this is the original packaging of the lipstick looks like. Even for this lipstick also they have wrapped. That is a good thing. So this is very tiny lipstick, so you get 2.5 ml of the product. That's okay for the price point. The amount is really good, and this is the shade called Castle of Nude. It's kind of a mauvey kind of a shade. I'm gonna swatch it, guys. Oh, this comes with a flat tip applicator. Oh wow, such a beautiful shade. I really this kind of a shades, you know. If you follow me, I really love this kind of a shades to wear, and smells really nice as well. So if the formula is really good, then I'm gonna grab all the shades from this brand. The next shade is this one. This is the shade called Tower of Wine. So this is almost a wine kind of a shade. It's dark mauvey kind of a shade. Oh wow, so pigmented. It looks so pigmented, right? I'm gonna swatch it here. Oh wow, look at the shade, guys. I really like this shade. Definitely I'm gonna try in one of my videos. So I think we need to shake the bottle, because once I applied this darker shade, it actually spread all over, and this one it remains there, and this one is just spreaded. The oils have started spreading. We have to shake the lipstick before we apply on our lips. So guys, that's all for the makeup. Now I'll be moving on to the jewelry part. So I bought 4 pieces of jewelries from Nykaa.com. So I'm gonna show you one by one. This is from Zevera Pearls. They have almost 80% discount in their website. Whenever I see there will be a discount in all these products, so I thought let me go and try for this festive season. So I might create a lot of looks. I'm just thinking to create, so it might use. So let me show you first whatever I bought. So this is the first piece. This comes with this kind of a box. So this is what the jewelry piece looks like. I really like this kind of a kundan set. So I'm gonna mention all the jewelry's price in the description box, because I don't know how much, but it had a lot of good discount, so that's why I bought. And when we buy 4 products from Zevera, we will be getting 10% additional discount. So I bought 4 pieces. So they have secured very nicely, as you can see, so many pins. I think this is for 381 rupees. As you can see, so nice. And this is the original earrings looks like, as you can see. So the next piece I have is this big oxidized jewelry. This comes with this kind of a huge box. I didn't know this gonna be so big when I saw in the website. So let me open and show you. Oh wow, it's so big, no? And its quality is also really good, and they have put securely, as you can see, so many pins are there. The quality is so good, not that bad, as you can see. So it has a pearl detailing over in this thing, and some goddess photo is there, as you can see, and we have a pearl detailing, and the chain has the same design, and the earrings are a little bit smaller when compared to the neck piece. Generally they design like that. So this is what it looks like. So in one of my videos, definitely I'm gonna wear this and create a look for you guys for this Navratri. So the next piece I have is this beautiful Kem jewelry kind of a design. This comes with a pearl and 3-step jewels with the earrings. So I really like Kem jewelry, if you follow me. So I like to collect a lot of Kem jewelry necklace and whatever it comes. So, and also this had a great discount. So actually these are not real Kem jewelries, but it looks like a Kem jewelry. So as you can see, it's so big, and it comes with a pearl. It's a 3-step jewelry. So this kind of a jewels looks really great for a plain sari, like green, pastel green sari kind of a, and all. It looks really nice. So I'm definitely loving this set, guys. Seriously, when I saw on the website, I just wanted to have this with me. So as you can see, it's so beautiful. It's so luxurious, and earrings also so big, as you can see, so big. Definitely, if you are a fan of big jewels, then definitely go ahead and try this one. I really like this, and even this has a very secure, as you can see, so many pins they have put. Yeah, I really liked it. So very first time I'm showing a jewelry haul. I never shown to you. I generally buy and keep it with me, and this is the very first time I'm showing you. I don't know how to explain about the things, but I really liked it. As you can see, no, I just immediately wanted to wear this in. No, so the last piece I bought these earrings. Let me open and show you. So this is a pearl set, pearl with kundan earrings. As you can see, it's kind of a purple kind of a kundan, and a lot of pearl detailing. So it's so big, as you can see, almost with my palm. And we have one green stone and 5 white stones thing. This one also looks really great for sarees, and if you're wearing any lehenga set. It's so big, so it suits for all kind of outfits. It might be looks very nice, no? So definitely you need to try this one. I really like this one, guys, seriously. So big, wow. So guys, that's all for this haul. I really liked shopping from Nykaa and Amazon. So Nykaa is having a Navratri sale and Amazon is having 80% sale. So whenever there is a sale, I like to buy, and thought let me show with you. So hope you enjoy watching this video, guys, and I'm gonna leave all the products name, links, everything in the description box, so please go ahead and check. And if you like to shop something, please use my link to shop. So I'll be getting a very teeny commission from that if you get if you use my link. So that makes me to buy little bit more products to review for you. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, take care.